Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the benefits of eating pork. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of eating pork. Eating pork can offer several nutritional benefits, but it's important to consume it as a part of a balanced diet. Here are some potential benefits of including pork in your diet. Number one, protein source. Pork is a good source of high quality protein essential for body's growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Number two, rich in vitamins and minerals. Pork contains essential vitamins and minerals including B vitamins such as B12, niacin, and thiamine, zinc, iron, and phosphorus, which play crucial roles in various bodily functions. Number 3, complete amino acid profile. Pork provides a complete set of essential amino acids, making it a valuable protein source that the body needs for building and repairing tissues. Number 4, iron content. Pork is a good source of heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant sources. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin and oxygen transport in the body. Number 5, B vitamins. Pork contains various B vitamins such as B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, and niacin, which supports proper digestion and skin health. Number 6, phosphorus. Pork is rich in phosphorus, an essential mineral that plays a key role in bone health, kidney function, and energy metabolism. Number 7, tasty and versatile. Pork is a versatile meat that can be prepared in various ways, providing a range of culinary options from lean cuts like pork loin to fattier cuts like bacon, which are diverse flavors and texture to suit different preferences. It's important to note that moderation is key, as excessive consumption of red and processed meats, including pork, has been associated with a certain health risks. Opt for lean cuts and include a variety of protein sources in your diet for a well-rounded nutritional profile. Additionally, cooking methods can impact the overall healthiness of pork dishes. For choosing healthier cooking methods such as grilling, baking, or roasting is advisable. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice based on your individual health needs and goals. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on benefits of eating pork. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.